President Muhammadu Buhari and his wife Aisha on Saturday joined hundreds of other voters in the gubernatorial and state assembly elections to exercise their civic rights at polling unit 003 Kofar Baru III Gidan Niyam, Daura in Katsina State. The president, accompanied by his wife, arrived at the polling unit at about 8 a.m. where both of them were accredited and issued ballot papers by the unit's presiding officer. The president with his wife cast their votes at exactly 8:08 a.m. to elect their preferred candidates for Katsina State governor and legislator.
Well, I will leave it to the law enforcement agencies, especially the police, because they have been meeting virtually on 48-hour basis to make sure they have identified the flash points, as you mentioned, wherever they are, and make arrangements that they counter it.
In polling unit 001 Kofar Masari, the All Progressives Congress APC governorship candidate Governor Masari arrived at 10:54 a.m. to cast his vote.
I think the turnout is okay, but I do believe that people are still coming out. Actually, from what I've seen here, the security at polling station is good, and I hope also in other places the security, they are up to the task to make sure that we had a successful and peaceful election.
The elderly and persons with disabilities were also seen exercising their franchise. There was visible security presence and the atmosphere was generally peaceful and orderly. Earlier, some voters expressed satisfaction with the conduct of the election.
We are expecting the election to be concluded peacefully and declaration of the winner done peacefully.
It's very successful because the turnout is impressive.
The head of voter education publicity of the Independent National Electoral Commission (INEC) in the state also spoke on the election process.
As for now, we don't face challenges. People are coming out and they are voting peacefully. They are going. They are not disenfranchised, as you can see. You have seen all the card readers, all our rag-techs are here, technicians are doing their best, and poll officials are ready, attending people, the voters.
The news agency of Nigeria reports that some polling units were able to complete the voting process before the scheduled time of 2 p.m. and began counting the ballot sheets.